Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Delta 295 Heavy, hold short of Victor, advise me when you're ready.
Alright, we just hit something on the taxiway. Could you tell us what it was? Ground, Delta 295.
You know, I just noticed that the tail on the RJ is missing, so Endeavor 5526, hold your position, and do you require any immediate assistance?
We're holding our position and stand by on no immediate assistance. We'll need a tow though.
The whole tail of that CRJ's off.
Yeah, we got the CRJ-900 with its tail off here off of Foxtrot 2.
Ground, you copy 295.
Delta 295, hold short of Victor. It does appear that you struck the RJ that's holding short of 8 right.
Okay, that's what we hit then. Yeah, we were on center line. Instructions were echo short of Victor. We're holding short of Victor, and we understand. Thank you. What did they hit?
Tower number 6526.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're expecting there to be a hydraulic leak behind us. We're showing dual hydraulic failure consists of 1 and 3.
Endeavor 5526, Roger. We're going to go ahead and have the emergency vehicles come out and check you guys out. There's an operations vehicle behind you there. They'll check out the taxiway, and if you need anything else, just let me know.
What was I thinking?